Yo, 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 yo. Hey, yo, Justin, Josh. Hi, guys. Bob. Hi. Hello, hello. I set up the stream because Invo looked really good. and then, and then, you saw that candle? Yo, it popped and then crashed. Now it's sitting, it's coming off support, 240, but it's also failing at the 200 now, which I don't like. So that's usually how it is, Josh. That's usually how it is. I mean, we can kind of hang and watch these names into the close, see if anything becomes appealing for after hours. Hi, Bob. Hello, hello. La, 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 la. Let me take a look at this one. SMFL. What's this one doing? Hmm. Minutes, it's getting some like weird pumpy candles. The volume is still trash, but it's getting some interest. Highs of the day. Yup. Yup. And then the S&P popped and then came right back to the abyss. So clearly the markets still want to go down. I think at some point Tesla actually went green. Yup, Tesla was green and then the market crashed and it said bye. So everything is back to red now. Everything. Anybody holding anything? I know Bob is holding GGE. So I know you're holding that. Doo, doo, doo. Uh, Wait, what was that? Oh yeah. Hopes and dreams is exactly what it is. Lots, you're holding Invo still? Okay. Hopes and dreams. I don't see the link. The link for what, Bob? It's a join Discord or what? Hopes and dreams. $1.50, yeah. Let's go. Let's go, virus. Look at this scam. See, I'm telling you, every time Tesla wanted to go green, but the market said, nope, wait a second, crash it back down. Conspiracy theory. Hopefully, something can give us a rally here, though. I'm not sure why or how Invo came back from 240 all the way to 320, but it failed. So you guys noticing this though? Like every time something's about to crash, like it's sitting at resistance, you get a fat green candle. Every time it's about to pump, you get a fat red candle. The market makers always play games. Like they do one direction and then do the opposite, right? So technically, you shouldn't be buying this anyways because it's not a breakout. It's a scam candle above resistance. It doesn't close and then they crash it, right? So this stuff is happening a lot more often. So if you're holding a stock and it's sitting at resistance for like 20 minutes and then all of a sudden you see a fat green candle breaks above resistance, pack your bags. Pack your bags. You better sell soon because as soon as that thing comes back down, it's getting destroyed straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. I want to see the S&P just Tesla actually picked up the so. I want to see the S&P actually just consolidate around 500 for the next few days, I don't mind. Till next week and then pump it. Virus, don't tell me 509. Rubbish. I want to see the S&P just consolidate, so I can buy the dip skis, and then we can move on. We can move on, you know. Pick up the soap. Let's go, Jeff. Let's go. Let me pull up BTC here. Ooh, look at that. SMFL. Yup, that's not too bad. 44 cents resistance. 44 cents. Okay, BTC. I didn't put a date. Well, SPY is gonna go back to all-time highs. We know that. Even if it goes to 200. Well, now that we say it with confidence, it's gonna go to 200. But yeah, BTC. Let's see. BTC Coinbase. So I think the lowest we've been today for Bitcoin is 59,600. 59,600. That doesn't matter though, right? It's all about the daily candle closing, and right now it's at 61. So these guys keep bouncing it off 60. If they can keep it above, that's a good thing. And then the 19th, SPY is back above 501. So it looks like we're finding a bit of a base at 500s for today at least. We have what, just below an hour left, so you never know. You never know. You never know. INVO has an SEC filing. Did they announce an offering? Ooh, let me pull this up, guys. Oh, the stock is reacting to it. 240 resistance. This filing is a little bit sus. Uh, Entry into a definitive. Ooh, the stock is not doing well. I might need to pull up the actual SEC website because people are panicking. Watch them just do an offering. Oof, that's not a good thing. La 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 la. Oh yeah, warrants. On April 17th, the company reduced the exercise price of the warrants from 285 price to $1.20. La 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 la. Okay, interesting. Choo, choo, choo. So the market doesn't like that. Behold the tomato. Yeah, I was hoping again. I was waiting for that thing to see if it would break above 320. It just never did, Dennis. So that was disappointing. And now the company is doing stuff. So maybe this one's officially done skis. Let's see. Officially done skis. Yeah, no. The tomato. I just want to see if there's anything that we can look at into the close. Anything into the close. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Hmm. Yeah, SMFL is pumping there. Wow, pumping. I say pumping, and it's 10%. 10% trash. Any overnight swings? Anybody planning on holding anything overnight? So yeah, if you're holding INVO, that for sure wasn't good news, right? So, yep, not good news. CISS, okay. Not good news. That means they get less monies if they're reducing the price of the warrants. They just want to get rid of them, I guess. But you're holding some Tesla calls, okay. Tesla calls. Just pray Elon doesn't doesn't show up at your door tomorrow and whisper. Have good stance, even if it yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, and at some point the company might actually announce something. So these companies usually do post splitting. So hopefully, yeah, Mark, you're holding another Zach Morris pump. uh, Hopefully, you guys make monies. Otherwise, you guys will go in that little column where it says Zach Morris and at me. Uh, I'm kidding, by the way. I'm kidding. So make sure your name is not on that list. If you're holding a bag on one of these names, your name is on that list. Um, please, please. The S&P looks like it wants to close below 500. Choo 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 choo. La 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 la. Mm-mm. 47 cents. Yeah, it's trying slowly, slowly. It looks like the social media people are pumping this one slowly, slowly. La, 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 la. Let me see. La, 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 la. 46.50. Yeah, you got out at 46 cents. Okay. Yeah, it's going for 47. 47. 47. Well, back to 46. And they want their share too. I'm full on DCA. Josh, yeah. Yep. Let me what are we at again here? So yeah, still at 61 for Bitcoin. 61. Yeah, as long as that candle closes above 60, there's yeah, be greedy when others are fearful. Yep. Yep, Josh. Yep. Yeah, we'll see. See what it does. See how we close tonight. See how we close tonight. Ooh, that thing said, "Hi, humble. Welcome back as well." Yeah, it's a bit of a boring. I was hoping it would be an exciting afternoon, but as soon as we came back, it became slow. No. 48. 48. Yeah, all of this is just retail hype. That's funny, Jeff. That's usually how it is, though, isn't it? Oh my goodness. I would like to buy the Dipskis too. That's why I'm like, can we just keep these dips down here so I can buy next week? Please. If we pumped on Friday, I'm gonna fight virus. Unbelievable. Rubbish. I need I need I need the dips to stay low. Stay low, dipskis. Yeah, that's another one that retail is pumping. TPET has done a good job recovering. Minus 30% though. Eventually, these things had to dip, right? Even if it's pumping with oil, these guys seem to be coming to. The messages we saw today from Israel seemed like they were giving up. Not giving up, but like almost seemed like somebody told them to sit in the corner and shut up. and then they were like, no, we will do whatever we want. That's what it looked like, right? So then these stocks are all dipping. It was just a matter of time, right? TPET is a trash penny stock, so yes, the price of oil goes up, but whatever. So hockey tuitions, yeah, some of them are the same price they were in Jan. Yeah, you want a 58, 58? Okay, maybe maybe into Friday, Josh. Nah, nah, nah. Yeah, college. Yeah, maybe they can get some discounts. Some discounts. Do, 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 do. uh, Yeah, Invo came all the way back down, guys. Right. So the famous white line, the famous white line. What happens at the white line causes violence. Right. So if you're buying stocks below the white line, make sure you have a really good stop. I mean, I feel like that's what somebody told them. You know, they were crying this morning. Meh, 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 meh. I want to defend. Anyways, I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, $1.99. It's over. Well, it was over when it failed to break above $3.20, and then crashed and broke below the 20, and then retested the 200, sorry, and failed. Abyss. So yeah, yup. Spy still looking sus. Looking sus. Do. Everything's back to red. Made million. Armed it. Uh, hmm, arm. Oh, I see. Yep. If you're holding some puts. Yep. Don't they report earnings at some point? Yeah, next week. Yep. Doesn't help that Nvidia, was crashing, right? Yeah, puts. So they report on Wednesday. Yeah, so there's still a lot of time before those earnings. So crash it into earnings and then pump it after earnings, right? So honestly, we might not know that, Lorenzo, until something shows up after hours. That's usually how it is. Usually how it is. You're like everything looks sus into the close, and then a company drops news as soon as the market closes, and then it becomes nice play. So that's the type of stuff we're gonna find out in Discord when the news starts coming out of nowhere, right? But it's impossible to know that stuff for now. SMFL looks interesting, gaining a bit of momentum into the close, but other than that, everything else just looks a bit suspicious. Looks suspicious. I'm just looking at the list of like little gainers here. PIK maybe into the close after hours. Let me take a look. PIK. Na 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 na. Hmm. It's not a bad day looking chart actually, Justin. Just waiting for the minute to load here. Doo-doo-doo. Um, yeah, maybe it doesn't look bad. I would, if I wanted to play this thing after hours, I would maybe, yeah, exactly. I would maybe just watch it for now and wait for the next breakout. If it's bumping into the close, maybe it wants to do something. Or wait for the push after hours. I would wait for something though. I would wait for something. 522's NVIDIA. Uh, will it repeat what it did last time? You are a virus? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. More dry powder to stack. You are, Jeff? You're starting a new job? Like in the same thing you do now? Or is it something completely different? For USA, you get nothing. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I promise you though, these guys don't just willingly send monies to other countries without benefiting. You know, you yup. Nobody cares to ask, and nobody cares to tell you. So yeah, they're not just sending monies and monies and monies and money somewhere else because they're just yeah, SMFL, yeah, it's dipping. But mine is Jason. Damn, you really don't like Jason that much? You're leaving the job? You're gonna miss Jason, you know that, right? You're gonna leave and then you're gonna be looking around. Where's Jason? Who's whenever we have these conversations, I know Virus is struggling to keep his mouth shut. We need to do we need to do a podcast episode with Virus and Josh. You know? Oh my goodness. For the country's guests, uh, in one day, they can float in less than a day mark. T minus two. The money is spent before it gets there. So, anyways, anyways, do, 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 do. Anyways, T minus two. Come on, give us the close and give us some violence. Yeah, PIK just seems to be standing there. Invo, that thing was again below the 200. It's over. It's finished. Straight to the abyss. Can you believe this thing was up 350% today? It's now at 142%. Please don't diamond hand stuff. 350% to 142. Don't diamond hand because the money disappears. Have a great night as well, Justin. See you tomorrow morning. Much love. See you tomorrow. Oh no, exactly. You never should. I don't get people that want to fight you in politics. Because those dudes don't give a damn about you. That's probably the goal to make people as divided as possible. So when people like riot on the streets and like fight each other and like I'm like damn, daddy chill, you know, just chill out. Um, yeah, you never catch me fighting about politics ever, ever. I don't care. I don't care if you're right or if you're wrong. I will agree with you even if you're wrong because I don't really care. Because these dudes don't care. Have you seen like those those meetings where like they sit in the in these what I don't know what the Congress for you guys I think they call it, we call it something else. Where they sit in that room and they fight all day. I'm like, dude, these idiots really sit there and argue all day and then they get paid. Damn. Interesting. Anyways, anyways, la. No, it does. Like it does. I'm not saying like it doesn't, it doesn't affect us. It does. So you have to make your opinion known. That's why we have voting and stuff. I just mean like the fighting. When people fight for their opinion and like fight. You know, like when you meet a random stranger, you fight them because you're like, no, I'm right and you're wrong. It's like, okay, that's cool. And then what? Right? So, uh, yeah. Yep. On the other side of the, maybe I would never have had the opinion. On this war virus, yeah, probably, because then you just get the opinion of like the media, right? So, yeah, yeah, yeah. Admit it, you are a quitter. Yes, yes, yes. The stock market has shown me that. When your stop loss hits, leave. Otherwise, you get entered. Which that could be, maybe. I'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep an eye. That depends, though, right? If something drops news after hours, everybody goes to the name that just announced something. Yup, 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 yup. It's been dirty to you, yeah, yeah. Stuff like that. With these low floats are always going to be dirty. Always, you know, always, always. On the 5 minute, let me pull up Wisa. So this is why I said I would wait for PIK because look at what it's doing. And then Wisa. That doesn't look bad, does it? It's still at resistance though. Um, yeah, it's sitting right at resistance below $8.10. Just $8 in general is a bit of a problem. So look at the last 2 hours. It's been sitting there. Hmm, It doesn't look bad, but it needs to break out. So I'll leave that up for a second. Mm, as my stop loss in most discussions. Yep, yep. Yeah, the S&P is slowly dipping into the close. So the low today is 499.12. Not that far away from that bottom. Not that far away. Uh, checking in temperature. Anyone enters? No, no, and no one. Pizza. We came back for violence, but it's a little bit slow. A little bit slow. Kezia, what's Kezia doing? Bitcoin is slowly dipping again. The entire market's dipping. La 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 la. Kezia with the ooh. What is that? I don't see any news. I just see it popping, and the spread is a little bit stupid. Josh posted a Bitcoin halving indicate link. Do you like the Market Watch one? Watches Guru, Josh. So Bitcoin halving in 2 days and 4 hours. So 2 days and 5 hours. So that's gonna be interesting. Josh is gonna be watching like a hawk. Yeah, Wisa is pumping actually. Yeah, look at that. Interesting. It's a nice push into the close. 2 days and 5 hours, pizza. What do you want? On stream? Yeah, let me. Hmm. Depends what time that is. So Friday, it depends. It depends. If it's way early in the morning, then no, thank you. It depends. Like if it's 2 a.m. in the morning, I'm not waking up. Not waking up. So just because again, like it's not gonna do anything, right? It's not gonna do anything. We should, we should. Uh, like the halving is a process, and the gains will come like the weeks, the months that follow the halving. It's not gonna come like immediately, right? So as before. Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not for sure. I'm not. Ooh, look at that thing go. No, damn. Oh my goodness. Visa is pumping. See, Peter shows up, and then the markets pump. See, the good old days are gone. No, 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 no. It's not like anything major is gonna happen. Where's Josh? Is Josh in the chat? Josh, help me out. Help me, Josh. Wisa's halted up. It's not like anything is gonna happen. So we could show up, and then we see a fat red candle, and then we leave. You know? Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, Wisa's halted up. So if you're holding that thing, good. Congratulations. No, I don't have a life. I'm saying like if it's 2 a.m. in the morning, any other time. If it's 2 a.m. in the morning, 3 a.m. in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning, it's probably like 8 or something for you guys. But you got in, Josh. Nice. Well done. That would be a good. Yep. Ayo, Gary. Ayo, ayo. We're complaining about having to stream the Bitcoin halving, and these guys are like, we should do it. I'm like, well, if it's 2 a.m. in the morning, absolutely not, because nothing's gonna happen. Nothing will happen. The gains will come after, not on that day. If anything, they're gonna try and scam it, get some final dip skis or something. Scam, scam, scam. You. We need a new host. Yeah. And then September we do a 24-hour stream. Yes. Oh, Lorenzo, what did you do? What did you buy it at? Let me know, and we'll give you some tips. What did you buy this thing at? What did you buy this thing at? Let me know. What did you buy at? What did you have your stop loss at? And I'll give you some tips, and maybe give me a time if you want. When you bought exactly when you bought it. Let's take a look. So at least for tomorrow, you know what not to do. If that happens, Gary, I will personally castrate myself. See, now you've just given me an incredible incentive to want to do that, right? The virus, are you down? Let's do it. Oh my days. Unbelievable. After. It's gonna happen. I think so too. Is there a way to see halt levels in Weibo? What do you mean? Like the bids after it's been on, like as it's halted, or what? Or the price that it's halted? Let me know. Yeah, Lorenzo, let us know if you need help. We can take a look. We can stream Safe Moon. Yeah, Safe Moon is actually trending on Twitter, by the way. Safe Moon is trending on Twitter. Why? I don't know why, but it was trending when I looked at Twitter. The price it will get halted at. No, I don't think that's possible. No, that's not possible. It's not going to give you the price that it can get halted at because they somehow have to measure the time that it's going to also get halted at. Right, so that's impossible. You can get the price that it potentially on halt at though. And didn't set my stop and anything. You sold at 215. Okay, yeah. Let me go all the way up. So remember this morning, Lorenzo. Remember this morning when we were saying if a stock goes below the 200 below the white line, it's done, right? So that's exactly what happened, right? Look at 270. So 270, right? So 270, we broke below 275. We came back down. We retested that white line, right? And then we broke below 240, 245, lows of the day, technically. This thing was done already at $2.45. So you should have set your stop loss a little bit higher. If I was in this play, like that same position, I would set that stop loss below this bottom. If you buy something that's looking weak, please, 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 please set the stop loss below the previous low. Because if it goes below that level, yeah, see, you should have set that stop loss below 240. At least you only lose 10 cents and then you can make the money back. Yeah, you bought during the U-turn, that's fine, right? That wasn't a bad position, right? It wasn't a bad entry at all. You gambled off support. Look at what happened last time, right? Look at this. It went from 245 all the way to 320. Like you were gambling that it would do the exact same thing, and it could have done it, right? But what you had to do though was set a stop loss below this level because that was your double bottom. If you have a double bottom, a triple bottom right there, set your stop loss below. If you let it go below that level and you're selling at 215, that's way lower, way lower, right? So when you buy these things, set your stop loss below support. Wisa looks nice. Wisa pump it. Oh my goodness, Wisa. Look at that damn thing. Yep. No, no, no. RVYL. Interesting. Yeah, Wisa is pumping. Look at that. So earlier today this thing ran to $10.95. I wonder if we can break about $10 again. But it happened. It's just money. Yeah, Lorenzo. Yeah, no, that's okay. You live and you learn, right? It is what it is. Nothing you can do now. So hopefully you make the monies back tomorrow, though. If you're hopping off, Lorenzo, there's a video for you to watch, right? If you're not sure when to take positions, please go to the Discord calls recap channel or the educational channel. There's a video in there for members that says when to buy and when to sell, like when how to know how to play these momentum names. So please go watch that video tonight, and then so then you have a bit of an understanding of when you're supposed to buy these things. Alrighty. And it for a dollar, Josh. Okay, okay, that's not too bad. At least you made money though. Yeah. Yup. This isn't the virus I know. I'm telling you, virus went to the woods, and some things happened. Diddy did it, and then the changed man now. Change limit to 9.99. Okay, below the view apps. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Nvidia calls. No, I want to buy Tesla instead. I want to buy Tesla instead. But I'll do it. Yeah. Didn't exit only. Next week, virus. That's why I need these dips to stay here. Next week. The S&P seems to be bouncing on 500 for now. for now. Yep. Unless Peter gives me money, and then I can buy some Nvidia calls. But next week. Uh, okay. We're gonna be way up Monday. Monday virus. Just Monday. Yeah. 950s. Okay, I'll take a look. Take a look, ski. He met the hood in the woods. Something stood and damn. $2 is how much they cost. Okay. Choo, 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 choo. Sounds good. Sounds good. Do do do. In the woods. Oh, la, 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 la. La 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 la. Hmm. Okay. Don't forget to smash a like again, guys. Don't forget to smash a like again for the second time. And all the other stuffs. All the other things. The YouTube site shows when let's see. No. Just hit it lightly, and like once. Yes, yes. We're getting a bit of a bounce into the open, into the close here. Not bad. Maybe virus is gonna pump the markets now, just because I haven't bought Nvidia calls. Nvidia. SMFL is kind of bouncing into the close. You only bought one? Okay. Can we do what can we do to prepare in the market? Anything to look at? I mean, not really, right? I think the focus for now going into that um, is Bitcoin, right? So let's see what happens, how the market reacts going into the halving. You're supposed to get a bit more hype when you go into these ETFs launching, right? So there's not a whole lot you can do to prepare other than like just dollar cost averaging into a position you like, Jeff. Right? There's nothing you can do. Right? Zero, nada. Right? So when we get sell-offs like these ones, if you like something, you just have to dollar cost average, right? So you can almost use like I think it's going to be different though for ETH, but you could almost use like the Bitcoin ETF as an example, right? So hype into the ETF and then dip skis, right? People love having that catalyst in front of them because they're like, okay, I'm buying because of this, I'm buying because of this. But then once that catalyst is gone, they're like, wait, okay, and then what? Right? And then dip skis. That's why you see these things, often get like buy the hype and sell the news events, because people get hyped and then they're like, okay, bye, right? Um, People can tell you that, oh yeah, this is going to be really, 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 really good, right? And it usually is. Like these events are usually good, right? Like an ETH ETF is really good. Exactly, exactly. But for the most part, people just play the hype. If there is hype, people play the hype and move on. So that's why dollar cost averaging is the best way to go. Otherwise, you end up being in a situation where you get into something, Doge happens, and then to the abyss. Uh, Thank you, Mark. Have a wonderful rest of the day as well. Peace, happiness, health, and wealth to all. Same to you, Mark. Same to you. SMFL, 46 cents. You know they always involve virus criminals. The true criminals. Always. Na, 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 na. So markets close in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And then it's over. 47. Interesting. Super slow though. Uh, anyways, you guys are wild. Wild. Um, mm. And there goes the market dipping again. Lots and lots of weakness. Lots and lots of weakness. Let me look at the daily here for the S&P again. Uh, you know what's interesting is, isn't it funny though how they will always be a catalyst? There's always a reason for the markets to dip. But if you look at the technicals, like the technicals align with that reasoning. Isn't that interesting? The whole time for the last few months, or this month especially, we've been talking about, oh, if the S&P closes below the red line, it's going to crash, right? And we put these circles on the chart because we were watching this stuff, right? Stop selling. It's always really, really, really interesting every single time it happens, right? Every single time. Is it also a coincidence that it aligns with us getting to the top and then stalling there for a week? The market was tired before the bad news came, right? Like we sat here for a week or 2 weeks and we just kept failing. 524, 524, 524, 524, 524, 524, 524, pizza, yanyash, 524, yanyash. And then we break below the 20 and then dipskis. But the whole story though is that, oh, Israel, Israel, Israel. I think there's a criminal somewhere that knows exactly what's going on. Yeah, they know before we get the news. That's true actually. That is true. I think that might be the point that we're missing. That somebody knows before the news comes out, and they're like, whoever's pumping the market, they're like, let's just chill out. So I mean, just crash it to the demand zone. Crash it all the way in here. Crash, crash, crash it all the way in here. Get SPY in there, please. Yeah, we needed these red candles. My goodness. Right. So, and the SMFL is at 48 cents now. Highs of the day. And WISA also looks good, bouncing up the 9 EMA. Yeah, if you look at, like, even if it's COVID, like, or like you look at the daily and you go back to whatever period like we were complaining about, there's always a reason, right? Every single time there's a reason for the market to go up. Let me go back. Let me look at COVID. Uh, 2020, March 2020, right? Look at March 2020. Look at that. This is COVID, by the way. This is COVID, right? Every time we crash, it looks the same. It's like you get there and you sit there for a week, and the market like it's been pumping and pumping and pumping, and then it just stalls. And these dudes are like, okay, what's coming now? What's coming now? What's coming now? Like, why the hell were we sitting here for a whole week and not going anywhere? Why? Somebody new. And the market is closed. Market's closed. See if anything shows up after hours here. So TMQ has, ICU has news, reports, so earnings. TIRX with a bit of a spike. TIRX. Ooh, 30% spike. Why? I don't know why. I don't know why. La, la, la. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was weak. Weak, weak, weak. Open it at 490 tomorrow so we can buy the Dipskis virus. Open it down. I think they've done well in terms of like closing above 500 though, so they can do whatever they want tomorrow. Weak sauce. Weak sauce. LUXH. Okay, buy rating. Buy rating 32%. Come on, give us something. Give us something. Yeah, let's give it a few minutes and then we can go back to Discord and go play these names. Go play these names. It's easy to scalp when you're not sitting on stream. Price is going up. Okay. Weakness 34%. Doo-doo-doo. Nothing happening there. Nothing happening here. Ooh, oh my good! Look at that pop. Oof. Damn, Wissa. $9.90. Sheesh. When $10. Yeah, Wissa is so Wissa and TIRH. 42% for this one. Highs of the day. 42% highs. And there it goes again. Back to the highs of the day. And Wissa, that thing wants to go, doesn't it? We shall see. As soon as you said nothing happening, yep. Yep. In 3 weeks? I don't think so. You never know, though. Yeah, you never know, virus. Into elections, I don't think so. I don't think we all of a sudden start crashing into elections, right? Unless people are really focused on no interest rates at all, that much, you never know. I would be surprised if we were crashing that low. What are you're thinking we sell off that much? Yeah, you never know. You never know. You never know. What's Wissa doing? Wissa is at 9. Ooh, Wissa actually broke above $10 in that candle. Game of snakes and ladders. Yeah. Yes. And so like how are you connecting them though, Gary? What do you mean? Maybe if I one or two just in case. Yeah, you should. Never a good idea. Never a bad idea. Yep. Especially when the trend is clearly down. So yep. 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 No position DP. SBFM. I'll take a look. Take a look in a second. Uh, yeah, it's trying. It's trying. SBFM. Sunshine. Sunshine. That thing is down 44% today. Ooh. Yeah, there's DP. There's not very much I can tell you here. So split completed today. Stock crashed today, right? Eventually, the stock will run. Eventually, it will run. Eventually, the question is when. So this thing crashed all the way this morning to 320 and then recovered all day. It actually pumped all the way to, oh, wow, and then sold off again. So honestly, for now, I would be watching this thing closely because it will run at some point. But I would be watching for momentum. There's really not a level that I can tell you that would help you out for an entry or exit because it's a split. When stock splits, you're looking for vibes. You're waiting for momentum. So just watch it closely. Set alerts. Set alerts for like $4, 4.20, stuff like that. And if it's breaking, just see what the volume looks like, and then look for levels at that point. Right? You don't want to be buying these things and diamond hunting them overnight, and then because you can get destroyed. When a company splits, it's because it's trash. It broke out. Oh yeah, 75 cents. I could not find any news for this thing. I just think it's momentum. Bondi. Could not find any news. BHVN announces offering 60%. Yep, 70 cents was a bit of a problem and it broke it. It said bye, 79 cents. When you up, uh, there's always a surprise, Gary. Yeah, yep. Snakes and ladders. What did Bitcoin end up closing at? Did we end up closing at? Not that it's closed. I'm just saying like when the market closed, 61. Okay. Yep, still holding the 60K. Good. It's 82 cents. Anybody FOMO into this name? Anybody FOMO? Synth is also moving a bit. It seems. La. Nick, what should I be buying today, Nick? You should be buying a Discord membership and come and join us. That's what you should be buying, and then you can find some ideas in Discord. Ooh, look at that thing go, 86 cents. Dang, 86. There you go. I'm gonna need to zoom out at some point here because that thing is sending it. See, Nick had a different name though, but this is Nick though, right? Nick, this is Nick. Is this Nick? I don't know, but Nick always said like party people. So if this is our Nick, and then not a Discord membership, but if this is a new Nick, yeah, Discord membership. Anyways, ta 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 ta. Yeah, it looks like we failed at the supply zone. That was a really good run. Not bad. Uh, yeah, I don't see any news for it too. Yeah, Synth is also hitting high still. Synth. Oh, this thing is gonna make me scroll all the way back, isn't it? No, thank you. We can look at Bitcoin later, but let me pull up Synth for now. Yeah, it's a micro penny stock. I don't know what to tell you here. Like, yeah, it's a micro penny stock. Oh well. Holdings joint company has been moving and gaining. Yeah, Rivera. Yeah, that one's been posted a few times in the community. Spammed a few times. I'm just waiting for Nick to respond, you know? Nick? La 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 la. Okay. Yeah, since triple top. Yeah, it's a top of a supply zone, just below 5 cents. It seems. Lion. The top of a supply zone. Let's give it a minute or so, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. You changed my name on YouTube. Oh, you okay? You did? Oh, okay. I see. Okay, okay. Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, no, Red Cats has been talked about a bit today, and it's actually done quite well. Done quite well. Red Cats. It seems like it's dipping a bit after hours though, but watch $1.50 to the upside. $1.50. That's your resistance now or after hours. If it breaks above that level, then there's more room. More room. Yeah, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Mm, CSLR. Let me take a look. CLSR. La, 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 la. Oof, what the hell is that? You see that push? Why? I don't know. Virus, see you in Discord. 62%. I don't see any news. Tricks for kids. There goes 77%. Oh my goodness. Why is it pumping like that though? 84%. Dang. All these stupid after hour pump and dumps without news. That's how you catch a bag. TRVN with some news. They've been granted a patent. So, patent grant. Since it's sitting right there at 450. 450. 450. Anyways, we will leave it here for today, guys. Be safe. And oh, there's Nick. Come on, there's Nick. It's like, who is this? And how come this person is different, Nick? Let's try this again. Hey yo, Nick, come on. Good to see you. How are you? You're looking for something to buy? You're still not doing stocks, are you? Just waiting for the day. You've missed all these crypto streams. Well, a combination of both. Um, missed, Nick. I know you're for sure in crypto. So, uh, looking for something to buy. Okay, sounds good. Now might not be the best time, but maybe go look at Tesla instead. Actually, Nick. Yeah, go look at Tesla. Nice discounts. Did you ever get the Cybertruck, Nick? I know you wanted one, and I know you had the pre-order in there. Did you ever get it, or you're still in line waiting? Doo-doo-doo. Hopefully, you're not delayed. Nah, nah, nah. Oh, come on, Gary. Come on. No snitching. uh, you haven't? Oh, wow. Okay, that's taking a long time. Many of your friends got laid off at Tesla. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, maybe you look at something like that, Nick. Your Cybertruck will be there in November. Okay. It's good that you have a timeline at least. It's unacceptable, right, Gary? The fact that he has to wait this long, not the crypto streams. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Anyways, yeah, if you're looking for something to buy, it would be early in the morning, Nick. And yeah, at the end of the day, it's a bit sus. Oh yeah, Nick is gonna have an amazing review. Can you imagine if he got it like early on? Oh, that would have been amazing. Dang. Now that I think about it and all the stuff that Nick does, can you imagine if he that would have been amazing at some point. Na, 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 na. Mm, 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 mm. Connection, but I just wanted to jump in and say, hey, thank you for saying hello, Nick. Thank you. I sent you an email. I sent you an email. I don't know if you ever got it. Probably not. It's, I don't know if I have like your proper email, so maybe not. But good to see you, Nick. Thank you for coming on and saying hello. Oh my goodness, guess who it is? Jacqueline. Oh my goodness, Jacqueline says, guess who? Ayo, hi. Is it funny that you guys both showed up at the same time? My goodness. Hi, Jacqueline. How are you? See, these guys are craving for crypto streams. No, we just came back on for a quick short stream into the market close, but there wasn't a whole lot happening. Not a whole lot happening. Maybe they were always the same person. Yes, naked Jacqueline. It's Team Crypto on call. Yep, I can tell. I can tell. Yeah, we need to do a crypto stream on Friday for the Bitcoin halving, and then maybe Doge is. Have you played Nick? Have you played Doge? Doge has done well lately. Well, except for the last 2 weeks, but nice little rally from 7 cents to 23. 23. CL. Cool. Pizza, don't you have meetings? Hopefully you're not scalping futures. No scalping. Mm, 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 mm. Anyways, any last questions before we hop off? Let me know. And then I'm gonna go watch Champions League. Pizza, I'm surprised you're not watching the game. Surprised you're not watching the game. I'm here to roast. Meetings can wait. I'm surprised you're not watching. Slacker. I'm gonna pull up the game right now. So as soon as I hop off, it's I'm ready to invest. What should you invest in? Ooh, like invest or to scalp, like quick profits or a long-term position. Like, are you investing or are you just scalping? Let me know. KT, come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord, guys. Come join us. Manchester City. Quick profits. If you want to quick profits, yeah, you would have to join Discord. Um, you would have to for sure join Discord, or I mean, if you're showing up at the end of the day looking for quick profits, right? So you'd have to show up nice and early in pre-market or join Discord. AMC. Yeah, yeah. It's best if you become a member and join Discord. Um, Otherwise, it really doesn't work, especially at the end of the day. You know. Okay, game is on. Uh, yeah, you might have been gone too long. Yeah, yeah. No, I know what happened. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so join us in Discords, and then again, most of what we do is quick profits, right? So you would be in the perfect place for some quick gains. Um, yeah, link to become a member. So if you want to join us in Discords, just use the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. And then why am I here? I know, right, Gary? We came on because we were expecting violence and it was slow, but yeah, we're leaving soon. But anyways, yeah, click use that link and then sign up for the right level, and then join us in Discord. I can give you my membership to join. Isn't it your nap time? No. See who scored the goal, Peter. I want to see. I want to see the highlights. I want to see the highlight. Manchester City versus Madrid. Who scored? Peter doesn't know because he's too busy doing rubbish. Doing rubbish.
Bellingham collects, forced backwards briefly. Valverde, here's Vinicius Junior, and he squeezed it across, and Edison has kept out the first, but not the second. They just can't keep out the second effort. Really good play from Rodrigo, but it's good play from Real Madrid, and that's what they're capable of. I think he actually missed kicks. The first one, it sort of hits his knee. City find a way through this time. It's De Bruyne and Ludin, with the help of Camavinga, stopped it from going to Haaland, who will go again now. And it bounces off Bernardo Silva.
Damn, what a game! What a profits! Damn. I'm busy watching. No, I'm not actually showing the pictures, so it doesn't get demonetized. Okay, I'm all caught up now. No more crumbs, Dennis. For lunch? What a ripoff, Gary. Why would you go there? Why? Why would you go there? Why? Why would you go there? Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it here for today. Though, if you do become a member, just send me an email. Email is at the top there, hotratesx@gmail. And catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Wow, Arsenal is losing. Arsenal always lose. Bye, Katie. Peter, much love. Gary, peace. Uh, yeah. Gary, have a wonderful evening. Um, Nairo, Glitch. No, I didn't see. Pavan, see you later. Jacqueline, good to see you. If you do become a member, just send me an email. Email at the top. La, na, 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 na. Alrighty, guys. Again, smash a like before you go if you haven't already. And catch you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye, bye.